We have now concluded 3 weeks of classes in the inner session. Welcome to week number 4. We are on the last week of the inner session. Notice the deadlines are a different day than they have been through the inner session. This is because this is the end of the inner session and because everything has to be finished by Friday, January 16. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the chart. You'll see the different assignments and the different due dates for different activities. You can see the reading on the textbook. So let's go over some of the things that I want you to pay attention to for the last week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. The last 5 new chapters of or the equivalent of 1 month of work. Please pay particular attention to when activities are available, and importantly, to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. Especially this last week of the inner session. This is a tight deadline to submit grades, so everything has to be done by the deadline. So otherwise, you risk your missing assignments not counting towards your final grade. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of a Blackboard. Here's a summary of what's coming up due this week. Geography Special Topics number 4 is already available and is due Tuesday, the 23rd of January by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography News number 4 is already available and is due Wednesday, January 24th by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 3 that encompasses chapter 9 through 13 will be available tomorrow morning, Monday, January 22nd, and will be due on Thursday, January 25th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4, the last reflection, is available tomorrow, same thing, tomorrow morning, and is due on Thursday, January 25th by 11:59 p.m. I am working on grading the assignments submitted already, particularly the reflection, that need grading. You can check your grades on My Grades to see that. Some are automatically graded, like the map quizzes and exams. Those that will be shown graded already. The geography discussions have been graded and updated in the gradebook. If you have 150 points for the geography news discussion and 150 points for the special topics discussion, you have the maximum number of points available. You guys did very well on the discussion number 3. Most follow guidelines to the letter, and as a result receive full credit. Exam number 3 will cover chapter 9 through 13, chapter 9 Food and Agriculture, chapter 10 Development, chapter 11 Industry and Energy, chapter 12 Services and Settlements, and chapter 13 Urban Patterns. There are 25 multiple choice questions worth 4 points each for a total of 100 points. You will have 90 minutes to complete it, and you can take it multiple times until the time that is due. The content for the exam comes from the lectures posted in the modules. Look at the lectures, read the respective pages as indicated in the schedule, and read the study guide that has been provided for you. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook that includes definitions, explanations for concepts, and examples. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Anyway, have a great weekend, and we will see you online for the last week of this action-packed intersession. Best, Samuel Cortez.